Hi, this is Dr. Michael Bogart with Aspect Ministries doing another DIY video. We've had a problem with our jacuzzi hydro pool. We've really enjoyed having this 12.5-foot swim spa. About a year into owning it, just a few weeks ago, the pump broke and it was leaking. Apparently it had some problems with the electrical circuitry, so it's having to be drained while the pump is being reordered. So in the meantime, we weren't really satisfied with the way the steps went down into the pool. Sometimes we very nearly slipped and hurt ourselves, because the pool is made out of fiberglass. They try to make a sort of a rougher, textured step, but still it can get kind of slippery. So here's the solution that we came up with. My wife called around to some spa places to see if they sold those sort of sticky adhesive strips that are non-slip, sort of like the things you'd put in your bathtub maybe. Nobody seemed to sell those, but one of the people at the spa said that one of their customers had decided to do something that you've lined the bed of a pickup truck with. We found this product, this Herculiner. It's a truck bed liner, kind of rubbery, but also non-slip. We got the last can at our local hardware store. And here's what Melinda did. She took a paintbrush like that, and she just painted non-stick strips on there with this bed liner stuff, and we let it dry. Then we found out that it still was a little bit slippery, not too bad, but a little bit. So we went and found some dry sand, and we mixed a little bit of dry sand into the bed liner can, and it became pretty much exactly what we needed. So she gave it a second coat, and now your feet are not going to slip when they go down inside that thing. Okay. Good job, Melinda. So I hope this was helpful. Dr. Michael Bogart with Aspect Ministries.